guys, today we're going to be doing the range test on the ONEBOT S1. Now, I'm not going to mess around. I'm going to try to get this battery to drain as fast as possible. Okay, so I'm not going to be pedaling and, putzing around in second speed and all that. This is going to be all the third speed. Just let her rip. I'm gonna stop over at the car for a minute to make sure I got some kind of something to drink over that way. We'll see what's up with that. Chugs the hill, no problem. This guy must be waiting for a wing. I can smell it. It's not open, but the grease is cooking. It's warming up, okay? I can smell the wing. The wing is coming. All right, so. I think they're painting the Texas Roadhouse. So you want to go right like to this opening and then turn around and go back to stop from hitting the hills. What did I go so far? 2.6 miles. I gotta go up and grab me a thumbnail for the video. I'm thinking about doing it by Popeye's sign. I've done quite a few thumbnails up there. This lady wants a wing. People would get out of my dang way. I could get over here and get this thumbnail done. Let me stop here for a drink. Oh, let me take a break. There's the thumbnail. Okay, so we're at 3.4 miles. Okay, let's just keep going. Battery is at under load is 67%. Somebody showed up for a wing. No wings yet. No wing available. We're hot and heavy on building another car wash over here. I don't get it. What the hell you need another car wash for? I don't know. We're looking at 4.6. Looks like that person gave up on a wing. I think that's their vehicle over there. They said, hell with a wing. I don't want it. No wing for you. I could go for one of them Dunkin' coffees. I can tell you that right now. Wow. .3 on the mileage. You gotta be careful coming up through here during the week. It can get kind of hectic. These cars come flying through here. Yesterday, just started coming down with some bad cold, man. Wow. Some bad infection. Ugh. Better get out of this parking lot before I get run over. Well, we're at 8.3 on this app and 9.1 on the now still saying I got 37% of the battery left, so I think on the advertisement it claims 15 miles throttle only. That's what it claims. I never thought that it would do it, to be honest. 15 mile. Let me stop for a sip. But you know, you don't know that when you're out on one of them trails. You don't want to get stranded out there. I mean, I don't mind being stranded right here, right? Because I live right down the street. So I can just pedal home. But when you're out, you know, 6 miles, 6 miles away from your car out on the trail, yeah, that changes everything, believe me. That changes your whole outlook on what risks you're willing to take. Couldn't avoid that pothole. Oh God, I'm gonna take me a break here for a minute. Let me check the Relive app. At 10.1. So let's pause that for a minute and so I can take a sip of water and sit down. Oh God, Lordy. Let me head back up to Popeyes to see if they're doing anything interesting. What is it, 10:53. Yeah, they should be opening up any minute. Did the bike just quit? It said it had 40. Let me see. Yep. Okay. It just quit. It quit. Just like that. I mean, I just looked at the thing and it said it had 42%, you know, which I know was baloney. There it is right there. See that? It just quit. Just now. Here I thought I had battery and I was going to Popeyes. Yeah, nothing. Let me see if I can get the power back on. Nope, it's completely stone dead. Wow. Okay, so I guess that's the end of the range test. There you go. There you go, guys. The end of the range test. So now we know it's 10 miles. That's how far we made it. 10.2 miles. Okay. So I'm going to go over here and sit at the picnic table for a minute. Wow, that's pretty weird how that happened like that. I mean, this thing pedals pretty good without the power being on, so that's not an issue. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys, that's the end of the range test. Okay, 10.2 miles, 54 minutes. Let me finish it up. Wow, that's weird how that did that. Just started to go up to Popeyes, boom, just completely quit. Wow. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'll put the Relive app in there.